the neighborhood, and you are not welcome.
That's why I need to be here. You need Jesus, ma'am.
You. Calm down, partner.
Why you on your knees?
Get down, boy. Get down.
Can you stop being a jackass?
Who are you cosplaying?
Yakuya Togami. He is mostly the richy rich guy who's pretty much a douchebag to everyone during the game.
You know what's crazy about that? I don't give a shit.
Ah, look at you. Thinking you have all the power in the world, thinking you could trick me. I've fallen for your illusion. How disappointing. So, you're gonna longingly gaze at me